Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on Pinterest that allows you to enable views notifications for your published pins directly from your PC. Keeping track of how your pins are performing can help you refine your strategy and engage better with your audience. Let's go through the steps together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the left side menu. Here, you'll find a gear icon. This is the Settings menu. Click on this gear icon to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from this menu. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, in the Settings menu, locate and click on Notifications. This section is crucial as it allows you to customize how you receive updates about your pins and other activities on Pinterest. Under the Pins You Published section, look for an option labeled Views. This is where you can manage notifications specifically for the views on your published pins. Click on this option to continue. You will now see an option to enable push notifications. By enabling this feature, you'll receive instant alerts whenever someone views your published pins. This is a great way to stay informed about how well your content is performing in real time. Once you've enabled push notifications, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page to ensure all your changes are applied. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled views notifications for your published pins on Pinterest. This feature will help you monitor engagement and optimize your content strategy effectively. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy exploring Pinterest with these new notification settings, and happy pinning!